Z, or zebra. U, umbrella. O, orange. F, frog. L, lion. A, apple. K, key. Y, yogurt. C, cat. D, doll or dog. I has two sounds. E like insect or igloo, and I like ice cream. J, jug. S, sun. W, warm. And R, robot. I repeat for the last time. Letters are divided into two. Vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and consonants, B, C, D, and so on. We have 21 consonants and 5 vowels. These are capital letters, and these are small letters. We have 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, vowels. The rest of the letters are consonants, okay? Let's start. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, good.
Yes.
D, is it a vowel?
False.
False, excellent. H is a vowel?
False.
Excellent. I is a vowel? True.
True.
A is a vowel?
True.
Good. C is a vowel?
False.
False. P is a vowel?
False.
O is a vowel?
False.
True. F is a vowel? False.
False.
G is a vowel?
False.
H is a vowel?
False. False.
U is a vowel? True. S, false.
False.
Okay. Time is up. Your score is 11. More than 11, okay? You have to be fast.
Okay.
F is a vowel?
False.
Good. U is a vowel? True. Good. P is a vowel? False. Great. C is a vowel? False. D is a vowel?
False.
A is a vowel? Yes.
False.
True. I is a vowel? Look.
True.
G is a vowel?
False.
H is a vowel?
False.
E is a vowel?
True.
H is a vowel?
True.
False. Oh. True. False. Let's see. It's the moment of truth.
Yes, mother.
Let's see. Yay! 13. Good job. Excellent. Good job. Nice. I want you to give me the correct answers, okay? Focus. Apple, igloo, fan, bee, star, pig, cat, turtle, monkey. C? Cat. P?
Monkey.
P, not M. P. Pig. T? Turtle. Good. Turtle. A.
Apple.
Good. Apple. M.
Monkey.
Monkey. Good. I.
Igloo.
Eagle.
Igloo.
Igloo.
S.
Igloo.
Star.
Star. Good. Star. B.
Bee.
Excellent.
Bee. Miss bee.
F.
Ah.
What is it?
Fan.
Fan. Fan.
Fan.
Good. Excellent. Good job. fan هي المروحة. Fan. Get ready. Oh. What is this? What is the first vowel in the alphabet? Vowel number 1 in the alphabet. Letter number 1 in the alphabet. A. Very good. So this is an alligator. Alligator.
Alligator.
Good. Alligator. What is this?
Cat.
Okay, so we need letter C.
C.
Cat. Great.
I, B, C, D.
This name, we are done singing. Okay, the next one, question number 3. What is this? Ball. So we write it with
B.
B, actually.
B.
Ball.
B. Ball.
What is this? Quickly, quickly, quickly. What is this?
Dog.
Dog. It starts with letter
D.
D. Good. What is this?
Gorilla.
And it starts with letter
G.
Okay, this is not a monkey. We have monkey and we have this one, gorilla, okay? It starts with G, gorilla. Question number 6. What is this?
Hat.
Hat, very good. And it starts with letter? It starts with letter H.
H.
Good. What is this?
Elephant.
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 It starts with letter?
Elephant.
It starts with letter? There's no A here. Huh? E. Elephant. Elephant. It starts with E. E. Elephant. What is this?
Frog.
Frog. Frog. Okay, and frog starts with letter? It starts with letter?
F.
F. Excellent.
F.
Frog. Frog. What is this?
Igloo.
Igloo. Igloo. Excellent.
Igloo.
And igloo starts with? It starts with? There is no A. There is no I makes the sound E like igloo. What is this?
Pizza.
Listen, in English, it's not the sound, it's we say pizza. Pizza.
Pizza.
Sound. What is this?
Monkey.
Great.
Monkey.
N or M? M. Good.
Letter M. Monkey.
So I told you that in English we have 5 vowels, which are A, E, I, O, U, and the rest of them are consonants. The rest of the letters are consonants, right? Now, I will introduce you to something
Yes.
called CVC. Okay, CVC. CVC means consonant, vowel, consonant.
Yes.
All right? Okay.
Yeah.
Now, look. This is a cup. Cup.
Oh.
Cup. Okay?
Okay.
So, who can spell the word?
Fairies.
Spell the word? You. Excellent. Good. Cup. C-U-P. Cup. Huh? You know this animal, right?
Fox.
Fox. Excellent. So how do we write fox? F O X. F O X. Fox. What is this? Okay. How do we write it? So spell it. Spell it. C A T. C-A-T. Cat. T makes the sound K, A makes the sound A, and T makes the sound T. So, K, A, T, cat. What is this? Band. Okay.
That's okay.
Band. So, B. Excellent. B. D. Band. Bat. What is this? Sun. Excellent. Sun. So, how do we write sun? S. N. Sun. So, S-U-N. Listen. Listen to me. So, S makes the sound T. U makes the sound A. And N makes the sound N. So, S-A-N, sun. What is this?
Map.
Map. Map. How do you write map? M. A. M. Map. So, M-A-P, map.
And map.
What is this?
Hat.
Okay, hat. So, how do you write hat? Eight. Excellent. A-T. Van. Excellent. Van. Okay. How do you write van? Yes. N. Okay. So V-A-N. V-A-N. Van. Van. Man. Good. Man. How do we write man? M. Yes. Excellent. M-A-N. Man. What is this?
D. D.
No, it doesn't start with D. It starts with M.
Did. Mid.
You make the sound ah.
No.
You make the
Bad.
sound ah.
Mom.
Mud.
Mud. Very good. Mud. اللي هو الوحل. Mud. So, M
And.
U and D.
D.
Okay. Mud. M-U-D. Great. Web.
Web. Web. Web.
How do we write web?
Web.
L.
Web.
How do we write web?
L.
W.
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 W. Good. W.
W. E.
E.
D.
B.
D.
So listen. W makes the sound w. W. E makes the sound B makes the sound b, b, b. So w, b, web. Okay.
Yes. Egg. Egg.
Okay.
Egg.
It's in
Egg.
so E
Yeah.
double G.
Yeah.
What is this?
Box.
Box. Box. So it's B.
Box. B. L. O.
So B makes the sound B. O makes the sound O. X makes the sound T. So box. Box.
10.
10. So
10.
10. Okay. Number 10.
10.
Good job.